Zari's driving lesson. Zari, a teenager, is driving a car for the first time. B is in the passenger seat, giving her a driving lesson.
Am I driving well?
Please, look at the road. Also, slow down. It's dangerous to drive fast.
Sorry.
Turn left here.
Zari makes a turn.
That was a right turn.
Sorry.
Suddenly, another car almost hits them.
Be careful.
That guy is a terrible driver. He almost hit us.
This is a one-way street, Zari.
Someone should tell him that.
Actually, you're going the wrong way.
Oh no, should I stop?
No, drive faster.
You just said that's dangerous.
Yes, but it's also dangerous if they catch us.
What? Who's going to catch us?
You hit 2 parked motorcycles back there. Now a lot of people on motorcycles are following us.
Zari looks in the car mirror.
They are following us.
Zari drives faster.
Zari!
What?
You're driving very well.
Really?
Yes, you drive much better when you're afraid.